So, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I think this video gonna be about us building a baffled oil pan for the Pontiac / the Firebird for the Pontiac engine. Not quite sure, I've been filming so much this week that... But let's get that oil pan off, and then we're gonna start to do some cap design. Cardboard assisted template, you know, CAT. We're gonna do that. Of course, we're also gonna have to change out the drain plug, so... But yeah, let's clean this oil pan up. As you can see, it's real dirty right now. Let's clean it up and get it presentable, and then we're gonna start to tack up and do some stuff, you know, get some fabricating going on, just like the handbrake we did. So how we're gonna make this template is basically we're gonna lay a plate, cardboard plate if you will, into the oil pan, and then we're gonna trace around and cut it so it fits nice as a baffle down in the oil pan, and then we're gonna go over to the engine itself and mark up where the pickup tube is gonna be. So we're gonna have room for the pickup itself, and then also the tube that's gonna come out from the side. Then we're gonna have to take this piece of cardboard and get it to fit inside of the oil pan. So there we go, now we have a simple idea of where the baffle itself is gonna be. Duct tape 4 corners here, so we're gonna hold the cardboard in place, and then we're gonna go over to the engine, and then we're gonna mark up where the pickup tube is gonna hit. So there we go, cardboard in place, time to test fit it on the engine. So after a little bit of trial and error and trying to fit it on there and just marking up a few things with a pencil, I figured out a design I want to go with. I think it's going to be pretty good. So the reason why I don't have a plate over here is because here basically the pump itself sits. Also remember, or at least in my case, I have a window tray laying all the way down here. So you can't make the plate too high because you also got to be able to put the oil pan all the way onto your engine. And yeah, should be pretty straightforward actually. So now we're going to take this one out. And then we're gonna lay this on a piece of metal. It looks like shit right now. You would think, what the hell are you doing? But this is just a rough sketch. We're gonna fine tune it, if you will, when we put it on metal. And we also need a bigger metal than this. When you don't got any sheet metal that's big enough, you gotta redneck that thing and weld 2 plates together. So we're gonna do that real quick. Just have to work with what you got, I guess. So let's make it work. So after some really bad welds, I don't know what's wrong with this metal, shitty welds, we made a really rough drawing of the baffle right here, and we're just gonna cut that out, and then we're gonna lay it into the pan, and then we're gonna start to trim the corners and, you know, make it smooth and nice. And but you know, then again, it's gonna be inside the engine, so no one's gonna see it, okay? As long as it works, that's what matters, you know. Let's get to cutting. So far, so good. Now we just gotta, you know, trim it and make it nice. So this is what we're working with right now. I just grinded away over here so we can have room for this little dent or whatever. Then I'm gonna make this hole or like section right here a little bit more hollow. We're gonna move it more this way so the pickup tube it's gonna be a little bit easier to get the oil pan on and off. You can get it on and off right now, but it's just only. And then we're just gonna grind away a little bit in the edges so we can drop the whole thing down maybe a 1/4 inch or so it doesn't hit the windows tray. That should be clearance enough. So there we go, guys. We pretty much got the piece ready right here. And so let's try this, guys. We're gonna tack in the plate first. So the baffle is done. I test fitted it the last time before, you know, we tacked it in and stuff, and it's now completely welded. Now the welds, I don't know what the hell happened to the welds. There's something weird about that metal. I can't get it to stick or anything. It's strange. I got a few good beats down and it seems to hold up. Yeah, here's the final result, I guess. And then we're gonna take a rag or something and clean it completely out so we get all these metal shavings and stuff out. Then we're gonna clean off the gasket, the old gasket material, and then we got a new gasket over here, and then we're pretty much ready to install this thing. I'm pretty stoked. We got it done, but I don't know what the hell happened to the welding stuff. Really shit. Yeah, that's just sometimes how it is. Finally ready to get painted. So I think we're just gonna keep it simple and go with the black again. So we're gonna get this baby grind the hell down, and then we're gonna give it a nice layer of paint. But thank you for watching today's episode. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more fun projects like this. Just building a baffle oil pan, or you know, a handbrake mount and stuff like that. I really like making these small projects, and I definitely like doing the more fabricating stuff, as I don't usually do that. I like, very nice. See you later, boys.